PAC offers medical technology solutions and is committed to helping our customers meet their manufacturing goals of providing quality medical devices with the safety of you in mind. Our portfolio includes the world's most respected and well-established brands of analytical and testing equipment. We pride ourselves in developing best-in-class analytical instrumentation for lab and process applications. PAC is committed to making a difference in the world, and by providing analytical solutions, we can help our customers excel in manufacturing quality products that are durable and sustainable. With our analytical instrumentation, manufacturing and testing processes can be enhanced to achieve improved operational capacity, reduced variability, and maximize production output. PAC has a proven history of success across the globe. With an installed base that spans over 6 continents, we strive to provide a customer experience that is unmatched in the industry. With the rapid advancements and changes in medical device technology, the adoption of new and innovative analytical solutions is paramount to overcoming challenges in production design and manufacturing processes. PAC offers world-class products and solutions that support the medical technology industry, such as our gas chromatography, elemental, distillation, flashpoint, viscosity, and leak and flow testing product lines. For more information on PAC's MedTech solutions, visit paclp.com.